on the ModelsLab. So it's very simple. You have to go to these things, the docs link, and search for the Musicgen section in the voice learning section. Now we have to copy this endpoint URL we have. Go to our Postman and paste this URL. Now we have API key and we have the prompt. So we can use this Musicgen endpoint in two ways. We can either send a prompt, just the plain text prompt, and we'll get a music generated based solely on the text prompt. So we will try with that. Let me just make a request. Yeah, my request is now sent. Now we will check if our result has been available on the link. We'll just click on the future links. Yeah, so now this is the result you can hear. It can generate up to 30 seconds at max. Now we will try with the initializing audio. So this audio will be used as a styling reference for the generation to copy the style of. So I will just go to the docs. In the examples we can see with the conditioning. I will just use this prompt. There is this conditioning melody. I will just copy its address. Okay. Now we'll make a request again with the conditioning thing. Let me show you how this reference melody sounds like. So it's a tune by Ed Sheeran's song. Now we will listen to this generated audio, which has been generated in the prompt and the reference audio being used. Let's listen to it. So this is how you can use the ModelsLab Musicgen API to style transfer your music and also generate new music from text prompts.